In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use self-linking tables in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to relate records within the same table, which is perfect for things like parent-child tasks, people-to-people relationships, or marking related items. First, open Airtable in your browser. Once you're in, head to the base or app that contains the table you want to work with. We'll be adding a new field to this table to create the self-link. At the top of your grid, click the plus button to add a new field. You'll see the field type selector appear. Keep it on the standard field types and look for link to another record. That's the key option that creates relationships between records. When prompted about where to link, choose existing tables, then select the very same table you're currently in. That selection makes this a self-linking field. Airtable will let records in this table point to other records in the same table. Click Create to confirm and add the field to your view. Airtable may suggest adding related helper fields at this point. You can add fields if you already know you'll need lookups or counts later, but if you're just setting up the basics right now, feel free to skip the suggestions to keep things simple. Click Skip to continue. Now, let's use the field. Click into any row in your new self-linking column, then click the plus icon that appears in the cell. You'll see a picker showing the records in this table. Choose the record or records you want to relate. This creates a connection you can use for context, navigation, and reporting. If you're modeling a hierarchy, you might link a task to its parent task. If you're modeling relationships, you might link a contact to their colleagues. You can repeat this process on other rows to build out your network of relationships. A few tips as you go. Give the new field a clear, intentional name so teammates understand its purpose, like related item or parent task. If you prefer one-to-one links instead of many-to-many, you can adjust that in the field settings later. And if you're concerned about circular links, like a record linking back to itself, just be mindful of what you select in the picker. That's all there is to it. You opened Airtable, went into your app, added a new field, selected link to another record, chose your current table, created the field, skipped optional helpers for now, and then use the plus icon to select related records. You now have a clean self-linking setup ready for richer views, filters, and automations.